Never throw away lemon peels, this is how to reuse them again. Next time you eat an orange or a grapefruit, or squeeze a lemon or a lime, save the peels. There are so many ways to use these peels. Lemon peel contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins than the juice itself, including vitamin C, A, beta-carotene, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. This is what you can do with your lemon peels. 1. Coffee cup stain remover. Put some lemon peel into a coffee-stained mug, add some warm water, and allow to sit for a few hours. Pour away and then scrub and the coffee stains should disappear. 2. Microwave cleaner. This is a really simple natural microwave cleaner. Add some lemon peels to a microwave-safe bowl filled halfway with water. Heat the water on full power in the microwave for 5 minutes, giving it time to boil and the steam to condense inside the microwave. Safely remove the bowl and wipe away the residue with a towel. 3. Clean your tea kettle or coffee pot. To clean mineral deposits in your tea kettle, fill the kettle with water and add a handful of thin slices of lemon peel. Bring it to a boil, then turn off the heat. Let it sit for an hour, drain, and rinse well. 4. Citrus zest. Using a fine grater or zester, grate the citrus peels to create a fine zest. This zest can be used to add flavor to all sorts of dishes and is great for use in baking. You can even freeze it to keep for later. 5. Lemon olive oil. This is a super simple way to add citrusy flavor to olive oil. Simply add 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely grated lemon zest to a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Place in a glass jar and allow to stand for 2 weeks, shaking occasionally. Pour the oil into a strainer and discard the zest, and you'll be left with delicious lemon-flavored oil. 6. Deodorize the garbage disposal. Use lemon peels to deodorize the garbage disposal and bring that amazing citrus smell to your kitchen. Fake lemon cleaners have nothing on the real thing. Simply put a peel or 2 down the disposal, flip the switch on with the water running, and done. 7. Make a scented humidifier. If your home suffers from dry heat in the winter, you can put lemon peels in a pot of water and simmer on the lowest stovetop setting to humidify and scent the air. 8. Citrus vinegar cleaner. Vinegar is an incredible natural cleaner, but has a pungent smell that not many people like. Infusing citrus peels in the vinegar gives a fresh aroma that masks the nasty smell and adds extra cleaning properties. 9. Trash can freshener. Throw some lemon peels into your trash can to kill bad odors and freshen up. And 10. Freshen your fridge. Place a lemon peel or 2 inside your fridge to absorb smells and bring a bright citrus scent inside your fridge. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.